Okay, so here's the rowing element of your training program. So you're going to be doing MAS, as we've done on the bike, okay, and as we've done running. Just a quick recap on how you work out your calculation of what your 120% MAS is. So remember, you're going to do a 5-minute best effort. Once you've got that score, okay, note that down. We'll use 1200 as an example today. All I'm going to do is divide that by 5 minutes in seconds. So 1200 divided by 300 comes to 4 meters per second. That's my average meters per second. All I want to do now, okay, is I need to work out what my average meters per second is if I was to do 120% MAS. So I take that 4 minutes, I times it by 1.2, which is the 120, okay, and then that's going to give me a score. That then gives me a score of 4.80 meters per second. And all I have to simply do is work out my 30-second and 1-minute intervals, which the Concept 2 rowers can be set to. Okay, so using that calculation, that gives me 120 MAS, 1-minute intervals of 288 meters. So it's quite simple now. All I have to do is just row for 1 minute, achieve the 288, which is going to push my heart rate up because it's 120% of, remember, my 5-minute best effort. So it is going to be testing, but I know I'm going to get a short recovery, and I'm going to have to repeat the effort again. A short recovery, and when I've completed my set, I'm going to get a longer, slightly longer recovery. Okay, so I'm ready for the next set after that. Okay, so on this session, you're going to be doing 4 10-minute efforts. It's 1 minute on, 1 minute off, 4 10 minutes. The recovery can either be a light recovery on the rower, or you can just stand up, have a shake off. At the end of the 10 minutes, between the sets, you can have 5 minutes recovery. Get out the rower, okay, have a little rest, take on some water, okay, and get ready for the next 10-minute set. Remember, you're going to do that 4 times. You're going to be working for the whole session's an hour long, okay, with your recovery and your efforts. You're only actually rowing, okay, 120% MAS for 20 minutes of the hour. So a quick demo on how to set up the monitors. Okay, so for this one, you're going to have to go to Select Workout. Okay, you're going to go to New Workout at the bottom. Okay, you're going to go to Intervals Time. You're going to set your intervals to 1 minute as per the program. Okay, you're going to set your rest intervals to 1 minute. You can put in an optional pace boat if you want to. You can try and keep up with that. Okay, then you're going to select OK. Simply giving me my 1 minute's intervals. Okay, efforts. Tells you on here what interval you're on. And now you're set up, ready to go. Remember, I'm trying to achieve my 288 meters. load to start off with. Okay, did 279 there. Okay, so 10 meters short. Misjudged it a bit at the start. Remember, a little bit active recovery. Nice and light on the machine. Okay.
Okay, 3 seconds. Here we go, 288 meters. Okay, a little bit better, 291 meters. So as you can see, okay, your heart rate will go up. Just about trying to bring it down as quick as possible. Remember, we're going 10 times. Or for 10 minutes. That means it'll be 5-minute efforts, 5-minute recoveries. So that'll be 5 efforts, 5 recoveries. After that, I'm gonna have a 5-minute rest. I'm gonna do that 4 times. It's gonna take me an hour. Here we go. One again. Remember, you can get out the row at any point, have a quick rest.
So 292. Okay, so when you've done 4 10-minute efforts, you've had your 5 minutes in between, that's taking you up to an hour now. That's your session complete, well done. So remember, like any MAS, okay, you're gonna have to re-evaluate your 5-minute best effort, okay, routinely, just to make sure, okay, that your training is, you know, 100% accurate. You're hitting that 120%. Okay, because your fitness will improve. So you need to reassess, okay, and that change all your distances. You go again, and that's what it's about, okay? You then improve, you go on to the next milestone, okay, and chip away your fitness.